Hi everyone and welcome back to the Fentech Scratch class. So today we are going to be making a Pong game, which is a very simple game to do. I'm very sorry if my voice is very low. I'm having severe cough. So we will first of all start by deleting this sprite and picking three sprites, which is our ball. I'm going to get our paddle here, and the next thing we're going to get is our line. Alright, so we are going to arrange this accordingly. Now let's start by coding our ball first, because that's like where most of the work comes in. So as always, we're going to start with our when flag clicked. Then we are going to go next by using, depending on where you drop your ball, like if I dropped it here, hmm, let me bring this closer. But actually put the X or Y that I want. For example, I could use 0 and let's say 89. Then the next one I could use is, the next thing we're going to use is a point in direction. And we're going to change this to 45. Yeah, then also we need to add our score. So we're going to make a variable, name it score. And we're also going to have another one called the speed. Yeah, then we're going to pick two of these. We're going to make this the score, and we're going to make this the speed. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick our forever block, and we're going to go to our motion. We're going to add move, come to our variable, pick our speed and put it there. Then on motion we have something if on edge bound. Yeah, here it is. So we're going to add it over there. The next thing we're going to use, we're going to add our if then statement inside here. Then on our sensing we're going to pick touching, and we're going to set it to paddle. I'll bring this up a little. Now the next thing we're going to use is we're going to come to our let's use pointing direction 90-degree, but we're going to change it and use this as the minus. Add it here. I'm going to use 180, and I'm going to get direction, that is pointing direction 180 minus the direction that we used here. Then the next thing I'm going to put is our change, that is, you should change the score and the speed, that is the points you make and your level of speed, score and speed. The next one, we're also going to bring out another if then statement and put it inside here. And we're going to use this time around touching the line. Once it touches the line, that is the red line, then okay, I'm looking for this stop all block. Yeah, here it is. Guys, once it touches the paddle, this is this paddle, that direction should change, that direction of the ball should change to another place, and the score and the speed should increase by one. But when it touches the line, it should stop everything. That's like the game is over. Sorry for that short break. So the next thing that we're going to be coding is the paddle. We don't necessarily have to code this line because it just has to be there, like just there. It's kind of like for when the ball touches here, then that's when the game should end. So we're going to code the paddle and we're going to start with when flag click. Then we're going to choose forever. Then we are going to use our if then statement inside the forever. Then sensing, I'm going to use this space keep pressed. Then I'll say once it's pressed, it should move 10 steps. You can decide to change your steps to 5, but I just think I'll leave it at 10 steps. Then I'm going to be using another if then inside here, and I'm going to be saying key space pressed again and move -10. So now let's like try the game and see how it works. So let's open. Okay, so as you can see, we have a little issue with our game. So let's check our ball. Mm. Okay, so let's try this. Alright, so there's obviously something wrong with our game. So let's look at it closely and try to like figure out what the problem is. Because I feel we've done everything necessary that we are meant to do, but I think something is missing. Okay, so let me try changing this to -2 and let's say 79. Let's see how this goes, and let's set the speed to 5. I'm just trying everything possible. Then everything is okay. So alright, so look at it here. Okay, now so it's our paddle that has the problem. Alright, so now we said if touching, it should stop the script. Let's try something and see if it touches ball. Okay, let's leave it at all. Then let's go to our paddle. don't know why this isn't moving. Okay, so I think my space is having problem. So let's change this to up arrow, down arrow. So let me try that. Okay, yeah, so as you can see it was my okay, so I feel I'll be comfortable with the right arrow and the left. So let's see. Alright. Make sure that it doesn't touch. But the problem now is that even if it touches, oh my god, it's so fast now. Guys, as your speed is increasing, so is the ball. So like wow, like it's now so fast. Alright, so there's still something we have to work on, and that is the line. So let's use the if then statement since it isn't working. Okay, let me just try this. I'm not sure like that, but it's no harm in trying. Okay, now the control stop all. Okay, so alright, so there's no use for this. Alright, so I think I'm going to make this an assignment. Anybody that can solve the problem of this is going to get a reward from me. So I need you guys to watch this video closely. Look at the code closely, try it out, do a video of yours working. I guess the problem comes from my system because right now my space key isn't working. So I need you guys to check out. If you find the problem, person is going to get a gift from me. So thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the class.